No. Go, go, go. If you're gonna cross, go now. Gotcha. God damn it.
Wait, where'd they put the flag?
It's on the other side over here.
Oh, it's over there?
Yo, hold your fire, hold your fire. Kyle, come over here and take this way. Hold on. Ready? Tell them to hold their fire.
Hold fire.
Got it. Yeah, I got it.
You guys cover that way, we'll cover this way.
Taking fire from suicide. Is there a guy over there? Yeah. Hey! Oh, my bad. Bang, bang! Haha, you bitch. Got you. I got Cody. Move up. Hey, room's clear up here. Start getting in. What up? No, I know.
Where's Kyle?
Look at that. That is fucking awesome. You blend right in.
I'm gonna go.
No, actually though, like the rest, that's kind of cool. Yo, no blind fire. What are you doing, dude? You can't shoot it like that. You gotta aim down the sight. I'm just sick. Everyone's bitching, so I'm just like, you know.
I don't see anyone.
There's no windows over there, dude.
Is your gun not work? No, I'm just using this. Okay. It's fucking heavy, dude. I like to white.
One. Move up to that wall, and then I'm gonna vault the wall and get to that suicide wall.
You're not gonna vault the wall.
You wanna bet? I did it last time.
I thought you're not supposed to climb over this.
Well, not really.
Kyle. Wait. Connor and someone else.
Okay, ready, go. Let me know when it's clear. Cover me.
What? It's pretty clear. Oh, I know.
Yo, Tango's in the church. Tango's in the church. Tango's in the church. Tango's in the church, Matt. What? Move up to the church. Oh. Fuck. Yo, Kyle! Oh, fuck me. Haha! Told you I would! Watch, I think we got Tangos in the church, I'm not sure.
Yo, there's a guy there. There's a guy in here.
In here?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Hit, I guess. Oh, shit, let's go.
People have no experience with this.
I know. Oh, shit. Yo.
You know if we have suicide or not?
Yeah, the wall's okay. It's the first room we gotta clear out.
Do you have a flag or no? Oh, no. That's not objective.
Right side.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Launch it.
Move up. Go.
Yeah, go down.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Oh! Hit!
Ready?
Hold on.
Good?
Yep, hold on. I'm getting on both sides. Alright. Go ahead, cross. Kyle, cross.
Nope.
Kyle, cross.
Cross? Go.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Hey, yo, middle alley's clear. I know, I'm trying to get to him. Suicide is good. It's that corner over there in Grandma's. Move up, bud.
That's the only thing we need.
Go. I gotta hold this corner, go. Put your numbers on them. Over there? Oh, never mind. I thought you were pointing. Moving in. One down. Hey, there's a guy with an AK at Grandma's. Come on, you bastard. Yo, how we looking? Matt, how we looking? We good?
Our front's gone.
What?
The guys that we had up there, they're stuck.
All of them?
Yeah.
All right, we gotta move up.
Most of them, right?
Oh, there you guys are.
Yeah. Yo, your band is falling off on your left side.
I know.
You're sweaty.
I'm really scared.
Oh, shit.
He's up there.
Watch my right.
Alright.
Oh, shit, hit. Nice shot.